Our Earth is a rotating and revolving rock in space. Earth's cooler outer shell of rock is called its crust. The interior of the Earth itself is a gigantic 8,000-mile diameter molten mass of chemical elements. Calculations put the temperature at Earth's center in excess of 12,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Steel boils at 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Earth's interior is characterized by a gradual increase in temperature, pressure, and density with depth. But since we live in the crust along with the oceans and the fishes, we will start there. Oxygen and silicon are the most abundant elements in the crust. Minerals are the substances of which rocks are composed. The most abundant minerals in the crust are the silicates, such as quartz, feldspar, mica, etc. If you develop an interest in the planet, please also consider my face-to-face geology course. The crust and the upper part of the mantle make up a hard rock shell called the lithosphere. According to the theory of plate tectonics, the lithosphere is divided into 7 huge plates and a number of smaller ones. Movement of the solid material on the Earth's crust are called tectonic. The principal kinds of tectonic movement are faulting, folding, uplifting, sinking, tilting. A fault is a fracture along which motion has taken place. A volcano, for example, is an opening in the Earth's crust through which molten rock is pushed out. And if you ever need to win a bet, it's called magma when it's underground and lava when it's above ground. Who knew? This leads to the understanding of 3 types of rock that make up the planet. Igneous rocks, such as granite, have cooled from a molten state. Sedimentary rocks, such as sandstone, have formed from materials derived from the disintegration or solution of other rocks deposited by water, wind, and ice. Metamorphic rocks, such as marble, have been altered by heat and pressure deep within the Earth's surface. Soil consists of rock fragments mixed with varying amounts of organic material. It's soil. Geologic time is divided into Precambrian time and the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic eras. Eras are subdivided into periods and periods into epochs. The divisions are marked by mass extinctions in which environmental changes cause the disappearance of many species of plants and animals. Dinosaurs were among the victims of the extinction at the end of the Mesozoic era. Fossils, the remains of organisms preserved in rocks, are useful in correlating strata, in tracing the development of living things, and in reconstructing ancient environments. That's it.